So association rule learning means machine learning algorithm identify the behaviors or identify to it learns to keep more and more object in association. For example, when you go to shopping, when you go for shopping in a shopping mall, and when you see a various type or specific type of products hanging or displayed properly near cash counter, so have you seen they put particular type of product in near cash counter. So this is the data given by machine learning to the mall manager, that it has been identified that during shopping, I mean during wait at cash counter queue, people purchase a specific item, for example chocolates for the kids, or razors or shaving item, or diapers, or sanitary pads, or chewing gums, or cold drinks. They don't purchase as a main item, but they purchase when they are in the queue waiting for their turn in cash counter. So this is the association. So it is also like this, if they purchase, for example Cadbury, they also purchase Horlicks, or if they purchase Bonvita, they also purchase this, or if they purchase Amla juice, they also purchase Kerala juice. So machine learning store the data and give ready-made data for further study, for further generation of the profit, right? So for example, when you do shopping in online retail pharmacy, for example 1mg or Netmates or Medlife, so it suggests you, if you purchase Lentus, or if you purchase Glycomate, or if you purchase Galvasmet, these are the anti-diabetic medicine. So it suggests other customer also purchase this medicament while purchasing the medicament which you are purchasing. So this is a type of customer behavior study. Or when you purchase a shirt or a trouser or a mobile phone on e-commerce websites, suppose you purchase a phone of Samsung on Amazon website. So while coming out, what we call it, while putting the item in the your shopping cart, it suggests cover of the phone, and it give this is the best cover purchased by various online shoppers with this particular type of Samsung model. So this is association rule learning, right? Now next is instance based algorithm. They are used when you want to categorize new data points based on similarities to training data. Not well suited for data sets that have random variation, irrelevant data, or data with missing value. For example, instance learning is used in chemical and biological research. Example is K nearest neighbor. Instance based algorithms are used when one has to categorize new data points based on resemblances to training data. Instance based algorithm just match new data with training data and classify the new data points based on similarity to training data. K nearest neighbor, KNN. It can be used to solve both classification and regression problem. It is a supervised machine learning. The KNN algorithm assume that similar things exist in close proximity. For example, you want to go to a movie and you are identifying which are the recent movies of your liking. So based on your earlier liking, it will suggest the movie. Suppose you want a fight scene, or you always want to go to see a action movie, but right now there is no action movie in the theater, right? So it will give you those movies which are having at least some element of fighting scenes, or some attacking scenes, or some sort of action scenes are there. What it will do, there are 3 movies in the theater. One is entirely comedy movies, it will not show as a recommendation because you like what we call action movie. There is second movie which is fully horror movie, there is no action scene. There is third movie which is having some horror and some comedy, and but huge amount of action scenes. So it will suggest you that particular movie. though it is not particularly action movie, but it has something which is liked by you. So it is trying to search a nearby neighbors which are as close as your input or your choice, that is action movie. This is the reason behind K nearest neighbor. This is the example I will show you. So there are sets of balls, green ball, orange, and different balls are there. So there can be one ball which is not fitting in any of this category, but it has close resemblance to green ball, so it will put that ball into green zone. Similarly, there are various type of musics. Based on your liking, it will put the music in particular category. Suppose you want a high intensity music with with a fast tempo, but there is some category which is not fitting in high intensity and high tempo or fast tempo, but in between these, so there will be B. You see the B. B is closing somewhere near mid tempo and mid intensity. Likewise. So with this we finish this particular video of different types of machine learning algorithm. Thank you very much.